Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, founder of Online Study for You, and today in this video we are going to discuss about the upcoming hiring for 2027, 2026, and 2025 batch. Companies like TCS, Infosys, Capgemini, HCL Tech, Tech Mahindra, Capgemini. So, what are their hiring plans for upcoming months, or when they do generally higher? Okay, now, so let us start with TCS, because many of the students are asking, sir, I'm from 2026 batch, I'm from 2027 batch, sir, when these hirings and all will happen. So friends, TCS free NQT, I never talk about TCS paid NQT, because you will not get job using this TCS paid NQT. The chances are like just 1%. Okay, so chances are just 1%. So I never discuss about this TCS paid and QT hiring. So that when you leave, you can write the exam only for the practice. Now when comes TCS free and QT, so for 2027 batch, on campus is already ongoing. Okay, so if you'd have seen recently, I also uploaded one video. Okay, I mean podcast basically. So where selected for prime batch 2027, right? Ankit has got selected, so this is the podcast. So 2027 batch on campus is already going on. It will be the process will be very fast. Okay, now the second thing is, if you are from the 2026 batch and 2025 batch, then only off campus you will be allowed, and that off campus also, it might happen in next year, March, April. This every year it happens. So 2026 and 2025 batch also might be allowed. So this is all about TCS and QT. There is no doubt at all. The syllabus has been changed a bit, as you are already aware. Okay, now, so next hirings we will discuss. But before that, friends, something I wanted to bring in front of you. So everyone is hearing about AI. Wherever you go, AI. Companies are hiring more, or the AI candidates. So everywhere, like, people are talking about AI. So AI was already in so much talks, and now something bigger which is coming here is agentic AI. Now, sir, what is agentic AI? So now you are always hearing agentic AI. So AI, no, it will just answer to your question. तो कुछ पूछना है, सर मेरा शादी कब होगा? So it will ask you some details, and it will tell you, why, when this time you will get married, or this time you will get a job. Or if you ask, like, which is better, C++ or Java, that kind of answers. But agentic AI, no, so this will work basically behalf of you. Okay, so it can make a plan, it can use the tools. So the human intervention is very less. Okay, and you will set up a agentic AI which will work basically behalf of you. So you can say, like, lot of time will be reduced with the help of agentic AI, and this is what is going to be future. There is no doubt at all. Many companies has already started using this agentic AI. Okay, so friends, lot of courses, I was just checking on Google. By I want to learn AI. Are by what to learn in AI? Okay, first of all, we don't even know that from where to start, what to start. Either it is AI or agentic AI. Nothing, nowhere it is structured. Nothing you will be getting properly. Either the courses are too much complicated and too much beginner, it is not going to help you. And if you want to get a job in this 2026 or 2027, then you should have a knowledge of AI, agentic AI. That is for sure. There is no doubt at all. See, it's not I am saying. You can ask from AI also. You can ask from yourself also. You can ask from your brother, sister, whomever you ask or you want. Okay, now, so friends, then I found one website, okay, which has this AI and agentic AI courses, and that is none other than Simplilearn, which everyone knows. It's not like, sir, no, we have not heard about that. Okay, see, it is well structured. And how it is well structured, I will tell you, because these courses are designed by the top university and the top tech companies, right? You might have heard about Microsoft. Are sir, कौन नहीं जानता है? IIT Indore, right? So then E and ICT Academy, IIT Kanpur, right? So mechanical engineering, professional education. So these courses are designed by them, so it is very well structured. There is no doubt at all. Okay, and friends, there are three reasons I will tell you why you should choose this AI or agentic AI courses. Okay, so you see, the first reason is, friends, the courses are well structured. Okay, and it is beginner friendly as well. So if you do not have any tech background, no problem, bhai, please come and learn from this courses. Okay, now second thing is, friends, if you're a student, working professional, or wanted to switch career, okay, so in all these cases, right, so this is going to help you. So it's not like, no, it's only for the student who wants to get a job. No, working professional then also use it, right? If you are if you wanted to switch your career, I mean some other company, then also, because this is the future, there is no doubt at all. Okay, so here you do not have any kind of doubt. Okay, and friends, the third thing is, see, any course you will learn, okay, the first thing is there should be some real world example, right? There should be some hands-on learning, right? So here you are going to get all those things. So hands-on learning will be there, right? And then real world example will be there, and that is where you learn most of it. Okay, now, so what you have to do, you simply search on Google, right? So Simplilearn agentic AI courses. Okay, so this link will come, right? Simplilearn, and then click over here, and then out of this courses, right, so available courses, you can also see explore all the courses, right? And you can see like AI agentic AI courses. Based on that, you can decide, and then you can join the courses. So this is definitely going to be very very useful. Okay, now let us come back to, so the link will be in description, don't forget to check it out, and based on your interest, go ahead and enroll, because this is something which you need it. Okay, Infosys hiring. So if we'll talk about Infosys hiring, so okay, so regarding TCS, one more thing I wanted to tell you. So if we'll talk about the TCS hiring, then TCS Ignite hiring, right? So BSc Ignite. So for BSc and BSc candidate, so it is active now. So registration end date is 22nd of July. Registration status is open, and test date will be 26th of August 2026, right? So TCS BSc Ignite hiring for the batch of 2026. So this is currently active, and you will be able to enroll. Okay, chalo bhai, next. Sir, TCS के बाद Infosys बड़ी कंपनी है. So tell me something about Infosys. So Infosys hiring for 2027 batch and 2026 batch. So you will be able to see this hiring in September 2026. Infosys hires for your system engineer role, and system engineer role also it will hire this year also. Don't worry about it. Okay, and then you might have seen some news and all. Okay, that sir, system engineer they might not hire. They will be only hiring SP and DSC role. So let's see what happens. But generally the hiring will be in September 2026. सर, हाउ डू यू नो द टाइमलाइन? कहाँ से इन्फॉर्मेशन मिला सर? खुफिया विभाग में हो आप, राइट? नो नो. सो द इन्फॉर्मेशन इज बेस्ड ऑन द प्रीवियस ईयर्स. लाइक, see, I'm doing this from last 4 to 5 years, right? As you know, so 4 to 5 years of data, if you'll see, okay, Infosys this time it hires, TCS this time it hires. So based on that only we will be getting the data. It's not like कुछ in अंदर का information है, from there we get it. Okay, next. So okay, Accenture. Friends, Accenture hiring for 2025 batch, 2024 batch is really very much, I mean, there is no proper plan of hiring. Okay, so for 2027 batch, on campus will happen in September, October. So 2026 and 2025 batch, so please have very less hope. I will not ask you to have, much hope from this, because as you know, interview happened, for some people joining came, but other people are struggling. Now this custom software engineer hiring is happening, but we don't know what exactly is going to happen in the future. We do not have any idea. Deloitte NLA, so no hiring for 2026 and 2025. So Deloitte NLA, they hire only for 2027 current batch, and this hiring will be happening December or January. So December 2026 or January 2027. I would like to also tell you, so Deloitte hires for two different roles. So one will be like cyber security role, okay, cyber security role, and one will be the normal BE Tech engineering role will be there. Okay, so for cyber security also BE Tech will be allowed. HCL Tech, so HCL Tech hiring generally happens in this May and June. So we can expect, so already June is also gone, right? So we can expect like this hiring. So that's what I told you, the last year, the dates I'm talking about. So this hiring again you can expect in somewhere like because it is delayed, so we don't know if they will actually hire now. So but July, August 2026 you can expect. Okay, so this is the time when this hiring happens, but this year it didn't have. Tech Mahindra, so Tech Mahindra hiring will be happening in January 2027. So 2027 and 2026 batch will be eligible. Friends, it's not like there will be no hiring this month or next month. No, we actually do not know when this hiring might again get open. Okay, and some company may start hiring, but based on the previous data, so I am telling you. Okay, so here in Tech Mahindra, So 2025 batch, 2026 batch, they will have to wait only. That hiring will not come now at least. Capgemini, off campus 2027, 2026. So off campus 2026 batch also will be allowed 2027. That exams will happen next year, April 2027. And on campus will be happening in September 2027. So this year, okay. So these were the few things which I wanted to tell you, okay, because you should know a timeline and you should keep preparing. Don't wait for, like, okay, once the hiring will come, then I will start preparation. No, so you have to keep your preparation on from now only. Don't wait for the hiring to be open. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best. We'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, please take care of yourself.